Spring Breaker 19, we got a report of a pack of wild party animals. Suspects should be considered wild, crazy, and ready to party. Over.
Chug, 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 chug.
Hey you! Where's the party at, dude? Come on, brah!
Spring Break Party Hotline. Pick it up.
Thank you for calling the Spring Break Party Hotline. Press 1 for kickstands and body shots. Press 2 for wet t-shirt contest and drunken puking. Press 3 for random hookups. And press 4 if you need a ride home. Thank you for calling the Spring Break Emergency Hotline. To identify the stranger in your bed, press 1. To identify that strange rash, press 2. Yeah! Spring break!
Take it off! Take it off! Take it off! Take it off!
Like, oh my god, it's totally spring break. I'm gonna win the wet t-shirt contest this year. Vote for me, yeah!
Oh my god, it's like totally spring break. Where's the Hotties? Let's party.